Good morning, students. Open your cameras, hurry up. Pratyakshant Nandini. Very good. Pratyaksh Rathi, open your camera. Atharv Singh. Let's wait for others to join. Okay? Good morning, children. Unmute yourself and at least wish. Yes, good morning. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine, very good. Only Atharv seems to be fine. What about others? Are you not fine?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, very good, very good. Open your
morning, ma'am.
cameras. Good morning. Dhruv Singh, Arush Chaudhary, Pratyaksh, Yashraj, Zoya, Nandini, all of you open your cameras. Don't sit like that. How were your holidays?
Nice.
Nice? Relaxed? No classes? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You could sleep till late?
Yes, ma'am.
It wasn't needed to wake up at 7:15 to attend your classes, isn't it? What time do you all wake up to attend your class? 7 or 7? At 7:30. Yes, I could see Arush Chaudhary woke up just right now. Huh? Yes, Arush? Dot 7:30. Come on, hurry up. Get up, go and wash your face. Arush, go wash your face and come back.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Zoya, Fatima, Devansh, open your cameras. Manas, Harsh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shish. Rename yourself, beta. Okay, children, how many of you have a globe in your house? Tell me. Any one of you?
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Atharv Singh has got a globe. Okay, Atharv, now I need to take a picture of yours with that globe. You remember we did that activity, how day and night is caused by the sun's rays? You remember it?
Yes.
Yes. So what you will do is, I have to share this pic of yours with Palak ma'am. She asked for it. Switch off the light of your room and then do this activity. Do you have a torch with you?
Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
Go
Yes,
get a
ma'am.
torch. Get your torch also. Good morning, beta. Get your torch also, and then we'll do this
Ma'am.
activity. Yes.
Ma'am, I did not have activity.
Beta, do you have a globe in your house? Do you have a globe
No,
with
ma'am.
you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
No,
I
ma'am.
just want to do this activity
I
with
have a box.
someone who has a globe. Yes, very. But Atharv, beta, switch off the light of your room first. Atharv, are you switching it off or somebody else is doing it for you?
Ma'am, light is already switched off.
So why is there so much light? Why isn't it dark? Where are you sitting, huh?
Ma'am, from Windows.
Windows. So can you please draw curtains? Because this activity would only give meaning when there will be no light. Do you have curtains in your room, beta? In the room you're sitting? Make your room First go and make your
Ma'am.
room dark. Make it dark, beta. Okay, rest of you, those who have joined now, how were your holidays?
Ma'am, fine. Ma'am, good.
Good?
Ma'am, good.
Okay. Yes, now it looks perfect. Very nice. Just a minute, I'll just click this picture of yours. Athar, look at the globe, beta. And take your phone a little away. The phone should not be seen on the screen. Yes, like that. Very nice. One more, wait. Good. Okay, done. Now what we are going to do. Okay, first let me have your attendance, all of you. Why can I see that children are sitting with their cameras off? Why are children sitting with the cameras off? Devansh, Zoya, what is wrong? Hurry up. Arav Solanki. Okay, all of you are going to now call out your names for attendance.
Ma'am, Pratyaksh Patil present.
Okay, Pratyaksh present. Then
Rishabh Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
Ma'am, Arav Solanki.
Arav Solanki present next.
Ma'am, cheers.
Ma'am, Athar Singh.
Athar
Ma'am,
Singh present. Arush Chaudhary present. Very good. Next.
I'm Nandini present.
Nandini present.
Ma'am,
Manas
present.
Anas Garg present. Then Harsh Patel is present. Harsh Patel, beta, open your camera. Devansh Verma is present. Yes. Kartik Kumar is present.
Ma'am, Suji Khandelwal present.
Suchi.
And ma'am, Misty Mishra also present.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes, Raj.
All right. Yashraj present.
Ma'am, Misty.
Mishti present. Very good. Next. Stuti is also present.
Zoya Fatima present.
Okay.
Sarthak present.
Very good. Sarthak present. Zoya
Ma'am,
Fatima
Samya present.
Who?
Yes, ma'am.
Samia Alifia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Stuti also present.
Yuvraj is present. Yuvraj is not present, huh? Yash Raj is present. Yash Raj is present. Vikas Rathore is absent. Okay, children, now from today, I want this work to be done very diligently, and I assign this work to Shirsh. Beta, you have to take attendance in every period. And see, all the students you have seen right now. Okay, Shirsh? If anybody else attends any other class apart from these students, then just give me his or her name. Okay? You can send me a message that ma'am, so and so student attended Hindi period. So and so student attended maths period. Is that fine, Shish? Will you be able to do this work?
Yes, ma'am.
With full responsibility.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have to send the names of the students which have not joined your class.
No, no, no. You have to give me the names of the ones who join other class apart from these students. See, these students have joined my class. I have noted them present. Okay. If anybody else attends any other class, you will give me his or her name. Is that
Ma'am,
fine?
I have attendance of other classes.
Yes, of other classes. And if only these students are present, then need not write everybody's name. Only if suppose I say Anmol Singh is not present right now, Arpit is not present. If Anmol, Arpit, anyone who is not present right now and attends any other class, just give me his or her name. Okay.
Okay.
Now, all of you take out your social studies copies.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have not done the book exercises. Ma'am,
We have not done.
only the book exercises we have not done.
We have not done the book exercises. Okay. Open your books.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
answer this only.
Ma'am, we have done and we have to write the question answers. We have done the key points.
We have done key points, but have we done fill in the blanks?
Yeah.
Ma'am, we have done key points, fill in the blanks, both things.
Yes,
Fill
ma'am.
in the correct answers we have done, and after this exercises we have not done exercise.
Exercise B and C we have not done.
Ma'am, we will done.
We have done. Stuti, what do you say, beta? Have we done all the exercises? Shirsh, Stuti, Rishabh, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done all the exercises. Have we done these exercises in the copy?
Yes, ma'am,
We have done.
ma'am, we have done only these exercise on notebook, not book.
Ma'am, the C1.
C1, you have done it directly in the notebooks. You have done it directly in the copies. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Today what we'll do is, yes,
Ma'am, when we the book we have to know.
beta, one by one, let's Stuti speak.
Complete only. Ma'am, we have complete only notebook exercises, not book exercise.
Beta, the book, the ones we have done in the notebook are from book only. Open the book and exercise. They are from the book only.
Yes, ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have not done the B and C exercise.
Okay, we will do it right now. Hurry up and read, Manas. Read out the first sentence of B exercise.
Ma'am, the first sentence is the layer that lies below the ocean, beaches and continents is the dash.
What is- Very good. It is the mantle, layer that lies below the ocean beds. Next.
Ma'am, I have already done.
Okay,
because
very
I have
good.
read
Harsh
that.
Patel, read out the second sentence. Harsh Patel, are you reading the second sentence? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, read.
What is the first one?
The answer of the first one is mantle. The layer below the ocean beds and continents. What is it called? It is called the mantle. Next, Harsh, read out the second sentence.
Ma'am, I read.
Yes, you may read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Second is molten rocks and minerals are found in the dash. Ma'am, lithosphere.
Very good. Molten rocks are found in the lithosphere. Next. Next, who will read? Stuti, read out the third one. Acha, okay. Read out the third one.
What, ma'am?
Read out the third sentence.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Shish, beta, you read out the third sentence.
Dash and dash are two water bodies found in hydrosphere, ocean and sea.
Okay, here you can name any two water bodies. Like Shish has named oceans and seas, you can name any two water bodies found in the hydrosphere. It could be ponds, it could be continents, it could be
Ocean. Ma'am, I have read ocean. lakes.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will also write ocean and sea.
Good. Next, Pratyaksh, read out the next sentence.
The dash protects the earth from the sun harmful rays.
Ma'am, atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Very good.
Ma'am, what is the second one?
Second one, read out the second sentence.
Ma'am, lithosphere.
Lithosphere. Okay. Okay, this exercise is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming on to the next one. Who will read out the next exercise?
Ma'am, what is atmosphere?
Ma'am, what is the first one and second one?
Beta, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping in the class? Tell me.
Ma'am, I tell.
Tell.
First is the mantle, and second is lithosphere, third ocean and sea, fourth atmosphere.
Very good. Now it's clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, coming on to the third exercise. The third exercise is complete these sentences. Now see, these sentences are incomplete. The first one, what is the first sentence? The first sentence is, to survive, all living things require dash. Now, what do all living things require to live? We
Ma'am,
live,
land
yes,
and water.
Ma'am, air, water and land.
very nice. Air, water, and land. Then, the Earth's crust is made up of dash. What is the Earth's crust made up of?
Ma'am, soil, rocks and particles.
Soil, rocks, and solid particles.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the first one of such
See from here, beta. You can see this C exercise from here. Complete these sentences. You're supposed to do exercise B and C also in your copies if you have not done. I will share it later with you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer ये portion in the copy.
What?
And we have to do.
We have to
And we
do.
have to do. And we have to do B and C.
Yes, you have to do A, B, and C. All these three exercises in your copies.
But we have not done the exercise in the copy.
You have not done? Okay, you will do it. Okay, I'll share the work with you. First do it in your book, then I'll share this screen with you.
Ma'am, we have to do these exercises after
And ma'am, you have sent on D group already.
Beta,
points.
Shirsh is speaking, then who spoke in between, huh? While one student is talking. Why do you speak in between? No, excuse me right now. No, excuse me. Let Shirsh speak, finish first. Yes, what are you saying?
I was asking that I have to write these exercises after or before key points.
After the key points. We always
Ma'am,
start a chapter with difficult words, then key points, and then we do the exercises, isn't it?
how many pages I have to leave for key points?
Key points you have not done, Shish. There are 20 key points of this chapter, beta. 20
Yes,
key
ma'am.
points.
Because my
Leave
notebooks are
3
little.
pages. Leave 3 pages for key points.
Okay, ma'am.
Now say who
Ma'am,
was saying
4 pages.
yes. 4
Ma'am,
pages.
4 pages.
Okay,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Leave 4 pages.
Ma'am, then
Water can be found everywhere, like what all places water can be found in?
Ocean, sea, and river.
Sea,
Ma'am, ocean, seas, river, and lake.
Very good.
And ponds. Ma'am, ponds also.
Okay. Then the three states of water are, in what three states water can be found?
Solid, liquid, and gas. Solid,
Very
liquid, and
nice.
gas.
It can be found in solid, liquid, and gases. Now see, this is exercise A. Start doing it from here.
Ma'am, in notebook.
Yes, in your copies.
Ma'am, can you see the exercise? Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, Mishti, you have done, others have not done, beta.
But ma'am, I am not done book exercise, so I will see on my notebook. Ma'am, please see the exercise.
You want me to show you day exercise?
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, you see the exercise.
I see D exercise. Where are you? I can't see you, beta. Where have you done D exercise?
No, ma'am, we have not started the exercise.
Then who is showing me? Who is saying, ma'am, see D exercise? Who is saying that? Who was saying it?
Ma'am, Arush.
Arush, beta, show where is your D exercise. Show what you have done.
So, ma'am, I have to send you the names of the student in the class only or after the classes?
After the classes, beta. After all the classes, just keep noting. What is your next period now? Which subject do you have next?
Computer, because I didn't
Computer.
mention.
Computer.
So now if there any other student like Arpit, Anmol or Kanishka is present right now?
She is not present.
Okay,
Yes.
if Kanishka or Kartik Kumar, anyone attends
Ma'am,
computer class, then you can let me know. Yes,
ma'am, Kanishka is present.
Kanishka is present, then why isn't she speaking? Kartik Kumar is not present right now.
I am present.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta.
चुप रहना तू.
Mute yourself, Sarthak. Beta, mute yourself.
Ma'am, this work is write in a notebook.
Yes, beta, you have to write it in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am, please roll it up.
Fine. Children, done this one? Can I change the page?
No, ma'am, I am doing the second one. Last of last. Here. When living in
So, ma'am, you will send this page on group.
Yes, beta, I'll send it after the class.
Okay, ma'am. But, ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. Those who have done, very nice. Now in a minute, I'll change the screen. I'll come to exercise B. Hurry up and finish it.
Ma'am, I have done A exercise, B exercise, C exercise.
Ma'am,
These
I
all
done
exercises.
Kanishka. Ma'am, I have done the B one. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, wait a minute, I'm writing.
Ma'am, I have done this exercise.
Okay, time for the next screen now. Now do this B exercise.
Ma'am, this one can I do from book?
What beta?
Ma'am, these four can I do from book?
Yes, yes, you can do it from the book. I have also done it from the book only. We'll try to finish all the question answers in these 2 days only, beta. By tomorrow, we'll try to finish, and from Thursday, we are going to start our revision for the exams. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow we will do
We will do question answers.
chapter 5.
Yes, we will
Okay,
do
ma'am.
question answers of this chapter.
Yes, ma'am. I have done all exercise book notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, this is sent in a group.
I will send it on the group. After the class, I'll post it on the group. Don't worry. In D group. Although I posted these 3 exercises last night also in D group. Mishti, why do you be so impatient, beta? Ma'am, please send. Ma'am, quickly send. And if you want to confirm anything, it is not necessary that you always send your message on the class group. You can ask it from the teacher personally also by texting her personally also. Is that fine, Mishti?
Ma'am, I have done Prakhya.
Very nice. Children, shall I bring the next
Ma'am,
screen?
I done Kamishka.
Can I
No,
change
ma'am.
the screen?
Ma'am, please wait for 2.
Ma'am, I have done shift work. Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. Now, children, I'm changing the next screen.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I have.
No?
Please, 2 minutes.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, class time is over.
Yes, it is about to be over.
Ma'am, only 3 minutes are left.
Ma'am, please, 2 minutes.
Beta, after 2 minutes, the class is going to be over.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Done, children?
Bye, ma'am.
Yes,
Bye,
now
ma'am.
there is no time left.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye to all
Bye,
of
ma'am.
you. Bye, beta.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Try to finish your work.
Ma'am, done.
Very nice. Go and join your next class.